is the gear level. Air vent. This is the speedometer, and this is the fuel gauge. This is the clutch, brake, and accelerator. This is the and this is the ignition. And also this is the seat belt, seat, the rear mirror. This is the floor mat, and also this is the handbrake. This is the exterior part of Isuzu Crossway. This is the window. This is the roof. This is the outside mirror, the handle.
Go.
So this is the wheel, and this is the tire. And this part is the tailgate. This is the seat. This is the turn signal and headlight. Bumpers and license plate.
Go.
This is the hood, and this is the windshield. So this is the battery, and this is the belt. The brake light, and this is the signal.